What do you think, bro?
I'm scared.
You scared?
Let's do it. Oh, shit.
We just pulled over in a car park. I've actually lost all boost pressure, it feels like. What's going on? Hope you're all having an awesome day. I just spent most of the morning preparing orders for you guys. Thank you all so much for purchasing stuff for the BenkySpec.com website. And if you don't know about BenkySpec.com, we have t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, and more. Go give it a sus because it really helps support the channel. Anyway, let's talk about what we're doing in today's video. Welcome back to another video. Before we go send off the orders, I'm going to explain what we're going to try to attempt to do today. So over the past couple of days, as you know, we've been really working hard on the Falcon, trying to get it ready for that drift event that we went to. The AU Falcon was awesome, performed really good. I was really happy with how steered in and all that. However, there's a little bit of a problem. It's a little bit down in power, it seems. Because we've been neglecting the Chaser a little bit, because we've been focusing on the AU, we're going to work on the Chaser today and try to fix up some of the little problems it has. Before we get started and get our hands deep into mucking around with this car, we're going to go send off the orders. And I've also got a special surprise for the Chaser too. Something that you guys will appreciate, I think. I'm excited to show you what I have. It's a pretty cool product, but first let's send off these orders. You're back, guys. Whew. We are back. Damn it, it's a scorcher today. Oh my God, I need to get this car started because it's freaking hot in here. Oh, AC all the way. Okay, we're back in the garage now. Let's show you what we are going to be doing. I'm pretty sure that I showed this in one of the other videos, but my pod filter keeps falling apart. And as well as that, we kind of have a useless thing obstructing the airflow to the turbo. So we're gonna be doing some fab work today. All right, let's sus. First I'm gonna come over here to the garage tools tool set, and yeah, missing tools. I need to put it all away, but this is a bit of a life hack. You chuck this right there, so the car ain't gonna fall. My strut's a little bit bad, so that's why. So when we did all the mucking around to make this thing ready for 450 horsepower, we did the fuel pressure reg, doing all the wiring, all the shenanigans and angles. One of the things that we didn't get to do was delete this MAF right here. As well as this, the pod filter end cap keeps popping off, so we need a new pod filter, which I've got stuck around somewhere there, but you can see this is, yeah, not safe. We could suck in some bad things and the turbo won't be happy with that. Let's pull this little tip off. Yeah, look at that. That's going right down into the intake. Not good. You can see that the glue is sort of worn out over time, and yeah, we don't want to be sucking anything into this pod filter that's not air. Sick little thing I got here though, HPI. So here's the MAF right here, and you can see it takes up a large portion of the inner bit of the pipe. We're gonna delete that because we don't need it, and if anyone wants to buy it, let me know. I just did a few measurements to see exactly where we could run the intake and all that, so we're gonna pick up some stainless later today. This outlet seems to be about 7 centimeters / 2.75 inches, so we should get some like 2 3/4 pipe. I reckon like a 90-degree bend should be fine, should be sufficient. Maybe a smaller 90-degree, and we'll have it facing, just coming through to here. Pod filter, baby.
2 hours later.
We're back now. We've got the stainless from Geordie Stainless, my favorite place to get the stainless. Oh my God. Managed to get myself a massive 3-inch 1 meter tube of stainless. I actually bought 2 of them just in case we need to do any stainless work down the line. I've just got some spare chilling there. I've also got myself a 90-degree stainless bend. We just need to add some clamps on. I've already mocked it all up, and you can see I've got a coupling that goes from 3-inch to 2.75 inch or 2 3/4. Also bought myself a K&N pod filter. It's a little bit too big, but we're gonna make it work. Preferably you'd get like a really small filter, then don't have to muck around with trying to get the right bends and all that. And I've also bent this little thing out the way, whatever this is. If you guys know what this is, please let me know. I kind of just want to delete it if it doesn't really serve a good function. We only need to fab on like this much stainless, so not even that much at all. We've also got more boys here. How's it going? We're about to lace some fat beads. Got everything all ready to go. We're going to tack it up and then, yeah, should be good. a sus, boys. Look at these tacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. This might not be impressive to you guys who don't understand what it's like welding for the first time, but I can assure you, stuff like this is very difficult. Just even tacking 2 pieces of metal together is hard when you're first learning.
I'm not gonna look into the screen though, look away.
It's not that bright. Like,
okay.
It's only bright in the middle, like where I'm looking at. So you can look around and stuff, it's not dangerous. So yeah, it's not the best welds that I've done, but they're pretty good. I didn't actually use filler, so I don't even know if I need to use filler, but I know that this is only going to be used for an intake pipe, so it's not going to get crazy hot. It's not for an exhaust or anything, so if it cracks, it's not going to really cause much of an issue, but I just don't know if it's smart to just use no filler. So please let me know in the comments if you're a better welder than me. Do I need to use filler on stainless like this? Yeah, I'll probably go around with filler if I need to later down the line. Yeah, bro. Okay guys, we finally have everything all on. The pipe is looking pretty schmeek. It's facing nice and straight. The only problem that we're having is that the clearance between the body and the pipe itself, you can see it's a couple mil. Yeah, it's probably gonna hit. It's gonna probably drive me insane, but I'm gonna run it, see how loud that little vibration is, and if it's not too bad, we'll just keep it like that. I'm also thinking of probably chopping this down so it's sort of closer to the inside of the J pipe, and then maybe we won't have any sort of rubbing issue, but I'm gonna run it like this for a little bit, and we'll go from there, but pretty happy with how this has all turned out. Just one little weld, that's all it took. Dose a little bit more now because we have that pipe there with no restriction. I also want to give a warm welcome back to Drake. Drake, where you been, bro? Long time no see, bro. He's been on holiday. So first thing I'm noticing is that the dose is like way deeper. I can hear it it's much more defined. Like, listen to this. Oh, that's so much dose here. Oh, wow. What do you think, bro?
I'm scared.
You scared?
Let's do it.
Oh my god.
Dude, that was fucking sick.
Dose is fucking
Yeah,
way louder,
yeah.
bro. Oh wow, it's much deeper. That's so much dose here, bro.
Yeah. My fucking neck is just snapping my head.
Damn, she goes, bro. What do you think? What do you think?
Dude, way quicker.
Way quicker, yeah?
Like, I remember driving this auto.
Dude, you drove this completely stock.
Like before you,
stock.
like I drove this car before you ever drove it.
Legit, dude.
And then now it's like this. Like, what the hell?
Yeah, crazy. I told you when I got it that it'd be like this, because I don't think you knew what this was when you drove it.
So much work put into it.
Yeah, a lot of work. Fuck ton of work. But this is the end goal.
This is it?
It can make a little bit more power, like we're talking like the tiniest little amount, but you'll definitely feel it. But I'm pretty happy with this level.
Because it's hot, yeah.
Yeah. And it's, because it's hot as well, it's going to be way faster when it's cold. I'll do...
Dude, I'm like holding the camera so hard just so it doesn't drop.
Oh, there you go. We're having a little bit of a problem.
We're not building any boost.
We just pulled over in a car park. I've actually lost all boost pressure, it feels like. It sounds like there's a leak coming from the left side. Or am I tripping? I don't know.
Sounds like your fan. Your fan's spinning fast.
I don't even hear the turbo.
Just like hold it like RPM and like slowly lift.
I'm literally making like no boost.
There's no boost.
What is going on? Holy crap.
Keep off like 10 seconds?
I don't know, I'm thinking that maybe the tune went into like limp mode or something because we've changed something, so we've put a different pipe on the intake. But surely that isn't going to cause like that much of a different... Maybe it's building more boost? I don't know.
It's not building boost now. So.
Oh yeah, it's obviously not now, but... It's mechanical, bro.
It's not building boost still.
Ah, jeez, what the hell? Maybe if we're lucky, it's just a what the hell? It's like I got no turbo. I think something must have come loose. Maybe I'm thinking maybe the back of the exhaust maybe came off.
What, the downpipe?
Yeah, the downpipe maybe, because I didn't really do those bolts incredibly tight. I mean, we'll see what happens when we get back, but I'm driving home with no boost. What I'm going to do to confirm to see if the turbo is still spinning or not is I'm going to turn the car and rev it, and I'm going to try to listen to see if we can still hear it spinning. Hopefully we can, because it's usually you can hear it when the car's off. Give it a rev. I can still hear it. I can hear it. It sounds like it's still spinning, which means that turbo's not done. That sounds like more than...
boost solenoid died?
Surely not. It's a link. Surely not. I'm honestly not sure what's going on. It sounds like it's exhaust related, but just to be sure, what we're going to do is pull the bumper off. It's only like 2 bolts and 3 clips, so it should be difficult to remove, but oh man, I got freaked out. Oh, that was scary, dude. Like, I put my foot down, and like, you obviously thought I was overthinking immediately, right?
Just like you usually do.
Just like I usually do. So yeah, I thought I was overthinking too. And then I put my foot down a bit more and I was like, no boost. And then when we were checking the car park, a bunch of subscribers called out my name. I was sort of panicking, so I didn't really say much back. So sorry about that if you watched this part of the video. Sorry. I'll say hello next time. But yeah, something's really wrong with it. I tried to do a flyby in front of them, but I just built no boost. Absolutely no boost.
NA1J.
NA1JZ. What I thought was going to be a fun little fab sesh is turned into a couple-hour ordeal. So we're currently removing the J-pipe, going to suss out the turbo, and hopefully it's all good. Hopefully I didn't put anything inside the intake pipe when I was welding it up. I'm a bit scared, not gonna lie. Don't come around here yet. Oh, it's fucking hot. Oh god. Oh god. Don't look, don't look. Oh god, oh god.
That's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
I'll give it a bit of a wiggle. Seems like a normal amount of play there. I'll start it up and I'll see if the turbo spins and see what happens. Okay. Boys, I figured it out. I figured out the problem. I'm going to get my iPhone so you can see. I don't think my camera's going to pick it up, but I shall show you. What happened, but I must have accidentally knocked it or something. But the thing fell off, so I think we're okay. Bruh. Looks like the actuator arm has disconnected from the flap, so it's probably stuck open and leaking out all boost. I guess that's the problem. Do you want to go underneath and have a look? You'll be able to see it pretty easily. Hello. At the start of the video, I said I had a special surprise for the Chaser. This be it. So in here are some special customized floor mats for the JZX100 Chaser. Shout out to Seiko Customs. In no way this was sponsored at all. And these are on the pricey end of things. If you want some premium floor mats, go check them out. I'm gonna unbox these so you guys can have a look. I'm so excited. Oh, dude, the quality on these mats, next level. Oh my God. Custom made, hell yeah. I actually got these custom embroidered. Just looking for it now. Where is it? Oh, the man's included some t-shirts for me as well. Thank you so much. He's even got the stickers as well. And he's also a fellow Chaser owner, so that's why there's a picture on a Chaser here out here. I think his car's like making a ridiculous amount of power. Oh, and here they are. Have a suss of this. We got the Benki logo on our floor mats, guys. Okay, I've got the floor mats installed now. Guys, this is incredible. You ready for this? Oh my God, guys. Banky spec floor mats, baby. Oh wow, the fitment on these things are incredible. It's even got the hole for the standard mat holder right here, so you can see that we've got the holder right there, so this thing's not gonna fly around while we're driving, but the fitment is mad. Look at that. He even asked me, he's like, oh yeah, have you got the manual or auto footrest? Like, I don't think that's an option on like any third-party floor mat. Like, no one does that, so I was surprised. It is mint. You can see the fitment is just superb. Awesome, man. It even fits like underneath this railing right here. So like it just presses underneath there and the fitment is perfect. Anyway, guys, that's about it we have for today's video. PJ is going to come around later today and he's going to help me try to put that rod back onto the wastegate. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you all in the next one.